and welcome to this tutorial video. Today we did a simulation of the high velocity impact of the bullets and the reinforced concrete panel, and our aim is obtain or achieve this diagram, the residual diagram for the velocity of the bullet. You can see the residual velocity is 380 meter per second or 0.38 kilometer per second. We verify this paper by using this diagram. So if I click on this, you can see, and also let's me to use this option. You can see first the damage here, the ductile damage, the plastic strain. Let me to click on the damage variable, click on animation, okay, you can see this is the penetration. And now we can get the diagram from the history output, and that's the velocity plot. We can see velocity is something similar or close to the paper results. You can see here is you can see that it is 380 meter per second. And also we can verify the kinematic energy for the paper. This is the kinematic energy. It is similar with the paper. Okay, these two diagrams, we can verify them from the paper. And the other result, like, let's me to replace first. Use this option. Replace part instance still rebar as a reinforcement. So we can use view ODB render beam profile. You can see the paper doesn't mention it use truss element or beam element. The paper doesn't mention that, and the JC, the displacement or everything. And let me now just replace the concrete. See the stress for the concrete. We can use magnitude or limit to have a better view. Let me to set it as stress. It is a better view. Okay, if you need this tutorial and this verification of this paper, you can come to the paper about the high velocity impact. You can come to our website www.abaqusfilm.com, find the English tutorial of this simulation, click on the for instance blue sign. This is continue blue sign, and then you will have the title, the part and assembly definition, and then the step material interaction load, and the result as figures. You can see them here. You can provide CAINP and English video file step by step for this paper verification, and the cost is 30 euros. You can purchase for that through a PayPal account, a Visa or a MasterCard. Before that, send me an email to this address. Thank you for attention.